Hello, Assalamu alaikum viewers. My video is about use of Tele ERP accounting software for any hospital environment. So here is a list of entries which are present currently in the Excel form. So these are the transactions we need to post into our Tele ERP system. So to look how the system of Tele ERP works. So I have opened Tele ERP. You can see here is the list of companies I have already created. So I want to pass some transactions for Advanced Daycare Surgery Hospital. So I will go to this company. I also have created some of the ledgers which will be affected during the transactions that I will record into the system. So this is the main interface of Tele ERP, and there are the options you can select. This is the gateway of Tele. From here you can select different options. So first of all, there is masters. Here you can go in create and create your ledgers and other inventory and payroll ledgers as well. Alter, you can also click this from the mouse, or you can directly click A from the keyboard, and you can also go to the alter for changing any posted voucher or any details. Then there is the chart of list. Chart of accounts. You can also see chart of accounts, the accounts which are prepared for the accounting purposes. So there down are the transactions, and first of all here is vouchers, and then daybook, and also there are the different options. Then there is are also present different reports which after passing the transactions we will see it, they will be affected directly. So this is the main interface of Tele ERP. This is the educational variant, so we cannot change the date. We will just work in one single date, but this video will tell us how we can perform our transactions by using Tele ERP software. So first of all, we will just go back to our Excel file, and we will see what are the transactions that we need to do, or we need to record in our Tele ERP system. So first of all, the transaction is cash invested by Mr. Abdullah, 5 million. So 5 million is the amount of cash which is being invested into the business. So we will just highlight it to a different color so that black. So this transaction we will be dealing with now. We will go into our Tele ERP software. There we will go into the vouchers. Here is the list of different vouchers in your right hand side. From here you can select the voucher type in which you want to post your entries. So what is our entry is about the receipt of cash from the Mr. Abdullah, maybe the owner of the business. So here we will go in receipt voucher. You can alternatively go to receipt voucher by pressing F6. So we press F6, and here is the main interface of voucher in which you will enter your details. So first here is the account. Cash, we are receiving cash, and from Mr. Abdullah. Mr. Abdullah is investing the capital. So capital of Mr. Abdullah, I have already created this account in ledger. You can see list of ledger accounts. This is capital Mr. Abdullah. So we will click this account, and we will enter the amount that is invested by Mr. Abdullah into the business. That is 5 million. So now amount is entered already. We will go to the narration. We can add narration as well. Amount invested by Mr. Abdullah into business. We can okay, now our voucher is saved. We can click yes. Our receipt voucher is saved for instant now. We will go again into our Excel sheet, and we will look at our another entry. Entry number 2, bought furniture on cash. So yes, it is 1 lakh. So we will go into our Tele ERP system. We are buying furniture for cash. It means we are paying something. We need to record this entry into the payment voucher. You can see in the right hand side F5, or click F5 for this payment voucher. So if you click F5, the payment voucher will open. You can see here in the left corner the payment number 1. The payment voucher number 1 is now created. Cash, and then we will input the furniture account. Furniture purchase account I already created into the list of ledger accounts. So I will select it from here, and I will input the amount of way by which any furniture is bought. It's 1 lakh. Okay, exactly. Then add narration, purchase of furniture. This transaction is also saved. Now we will move to our next transaction, which is AC purchase on cash 500. So we purchase AC for the business on cash. This is also the same type of entry, the payment entry. So we will not need to move into another different voucher. And we are also paying cash this time also. So cash will be credited here, and then we will select our other account which is involved in the transaction, that is AC account. So AC purchase account I already created, it is present here, AC purchase. So I will select this, I will enter the amount 500. So narration, purchase of AC on cash. So we can alternatively save the transaction by pressing Ctrl A directly from here. So now our transaction is saved. We will move towards our next transaction, the purchase of medical instrument from Rabin Medical, the creditor. We purchase some medical instruments from a creditor. So here we need to deal with a different type of account. There the cash is not involved. So we will go towards the journal voucher, and we will enter this voucher into our journal entry. For this we will go into our ledger system here, and for journal entry we can press F7. The journal voucher interface will open. Here the account which will get the debit is we will see, go back in medical instruments. So medical instruments are coming into the business, so we will write medical instruments here. Medical instruments, yes, I found it. Medical instruments are getting a debit of amounting to 50,000. So I will add 50,000 here in debit. Okay, then credit will be the Rabin Medical. Here Rabin Medical account is also created into the list of ledgers accounts. Rabin Medical is our creditor. We need to pay this later in some later date. So this amount will stay in the Rabin capital account till we will pay this amount in cash to him or by check. We will add narration here. So here there are some options, type of reference, which is a reference. We will add here new reference, because new reference number 1, it is basically the bill number which is given by creditor. 50,000. Okay. Narration, purchase of medical instruments on credit. So Control A. This transaction is also saved here into the system. So journal entry for this transaction is completed. Now we will move towards our next transaction. So let's finish this short video here. We will move towards our next transactions in the next video. Thank you for being with me. Take care.